Today we're going to make some delicious fortune cookies. Fortune cookies are given after a meal in most of the Chinese restaurants here in the US. But the interesting thing is, before coming to the US, I have never seen a fortune cookie before. Some say it was invented by a Japanese immigrant, and some say it was invented by a Chinese immigrant. If you know more about the history of fortune cookies, comment below and share with us. And right now, we're gonna make some delicious fortune cookies. In a large mixing bowl, add the egg white and vanilla extract and whisk for about 1 minute. Pour in the butter and mix. Siphon the flour, sugar, and salt. Mix until it becomes a paste. Add 1 tablespoon of water at a time until smooth. Spread 1 tablespoon of batter into 4 inches in diameter. And we're going to repeat with another tablespoon of batter. In a preheated oven, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until the edges become golden brown. Remove the cookies from the baking sheet. Place a fortune slip in the center. Fold it in half and place the flat side on the lip of a glass. Place the fortune cookie in a mini muffin tin and cool. These homemade fortune cookies are so crunchy, so delicious, a little buttery, really good. So I hope that everyone have a good fortune, and I will see you again next Friday. Subscribe and thumbs up. Bye!